Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 BMW X3 xDrive30i. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Coming out of the back of the vehicle, we've got our X3 BMW badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. A little wood grain accent trim. Rear seats. Rear climate control. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side next. We do have memory seats, so you can customize however you'd like and remember those settings, just a press of a button. Door controls there, driver's side seat controls, driver's seat, steering wheel. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 25,109. We have a push button ignition. Here you can see our radio and backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls including heated seats and the BMW shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.